In this tutorial, you will learn how to design your logo in Illustrator. If you want to design your logo into a symbol shape, you can easily design it. First, go to the rectangle tool. You can use any shape to design your logo, but for this, I'm selecting the rectangle tool. Make a shape like this. Give this a color by going to this color option. I'm selecting orange color. And we will round the corners by direct selection tool, like this. First select shape and go to direct selection tool. Hold this small circle and drag to make round corners. Now you have to make a duplicate. Hold Alt on your keyboard and drag to make copy. Now go to selection tool and select both. Go to alignment option and align them. In vertical, align in center. Press Ctrl+C to copy. And Ctrl+F to paste in front. And rotate it by holding Alt key on keyboard. To this position, it will come to something like this. But before we move, let me know in the comment section below, do you have design any logo in Illustrator? This will help me to know my audience better. Back to work. If you select all, you will see this shape appears. But we need to arrange these shape. Press Ctrl+Y on your keyboard. This will make you screen to this. Arrange them that overlap with each other. I'm repeating arrange them that they overlap with each other. Because this is so important. I'm speeding this session to save your time. When you are done, press Ctrl+Y to switch back to normal screen. If you see now, they are perfectly arranged. Select all and go to Shape Builder tool. You can find it here. Now if you press Alt on your keyboard, you will see this plus sign change to minus sign by holding Alt on keyboard. Drag and minus these areas because we don't need this. It will come to something like this. Select Pick tool and arrange them like this. Select any two and go to alignment option, horizontal align to center. Select other two and horizontal align to center as well. Now select top two shape and vertical align center. Select bottom shapes and vertical align center again. Now change the color. You can select whatever color you want. I'm selecting blue. Now select all top shapes and drag to side. And delete these copies because we don't need these. Now your logo is almost ready. Rotate by holding Alt on keyboard and drag, rotate to any direction you want. But I'm rotating in this position. Place your text and boom. Your logo is ready. If you don't know how to place text into round shape, check out my tutorial on this. Link in description.